Hello everyone. Almost time for me to leave and take you down to the refinery here in Grangemouth for the testing of the warning system, and I cannot wait. I've been waiting to do this for the last 6 months since the last one I filmed, and I'm so excited, but a little disappointed because last night there was amazing flaring at the refinery and I was really hoping it would be continuing through today so that it would be a cool visual while the sirens went off, but unfortunately they seem to have switched the flare off just now. So but it's nice and misty and rainy and Scottishy, so perfect Silent Hill atmosphere for the sirens. So hopefully that's a good visual for you and you enjoy it as much as I'm going to enjoy filming it. So we have, it's not as big as it was, but it's big. It's still quite a big flame. I'm not sure I see it very well, and none of my cameras seem to be of very good quality. Yeah. This is just a small part of the refinery that I can get in, but it's huge. It really is huge. Now, I'm at a bus stop because I was trying to evade suspicion in case they get suspicious why I'm standing here filming the test, but the bus just went past and lots of vehicles from here are going past, so I'm hoping that I don't think I'll get confronted. I'm hoping that I don't. I already walked past like a ton of workers and they didn't say anything, so let's hope I don't get thrown out. Okay. Here we are, people! I missed the bloody start, would you believe it? Dual tone, right in the middle of the heart of it. I apologise for all the traffic. Trying to get as much in of this beautiful place as I can. I absolutely love it. Oh, we're hearing the low tones coming through from the ones down a bit. But it was these high toned ones here that I really wanted to get because I missed them the last time. this is amazing, guys. I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. All clear. I love this building here. I'm gonna jump across the road. They're in perfect harmony with each other. They really are. This is amazing. And let's try and catch the wind down this time. Still see that flame over there. That's more than 3 minutes it's been going on for now. Maybe it's stuck on and they can't get them to switch off. That would be awesome if they were just going off all the time. Well, maybe an attack, yeah, not just constantly and all clear. Oh, there we go. I am back home now and still trying to dry off. I got rather wet and cold out there, but it was totally worth it. I would endure almost anything to film the test like that and be there. Just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's watched the video, and I hope it gets your adrenaline going like it got mine going when I was filming it. And there won't be very much on this channel, unfortunately, until the next test, which is the first Wednesday in June at 7 PM. I'm not sure which date that falls on yet, but I'll check it out. So that's the first Wednesday in June at 7 PM. Will be the next test across the road here in this lovely place. I know I'm so lucky I get to live right next to it. But check out my other channel, Industry 92 Mashups. I could really be doing with some likes and subs on that. It hasn't gone as well as I would have hoped so far for whatever reason. But it's basically just me mashing up songs and putting my own spin on them, and I make some like cover video art for them as well sometimes. So yeah, check that out from me if you like, and you might find something that tickles your fancy. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm going to try and get over to Carstairs State Hospital, which is here in Scotland, not too far from here, where I live, and they have a Carter type siren. I don't know if it's a castings or I think it's probably more a modern version of it, but that gets tested every so often, so I'm going to try and get over to Carstairs and catch that getting tested and see if I can get that and put that on my channel. I don't know when I'll manage to get over there, so until the next test in June across the road here, I probably won't have much on this channel, unfortunately. Maybe just a wee odd slideshow here and there. But yeah, check out Industry 92 Mashups, so that's where all the action happens. And again, thank you, and I hope you enjoy this, because I enjoyed filming it for me and for you. And I will see you all again in 6 months for the next Hörmann test. And again, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you then. Mwah. Goodbye.